Hey guys, it's Dr. Roberts, your Madison and Goodlettsville Chiropractor, and in today's video, I'm going to give you the top 3 reasons why I quit keto. Coming up. So the top 3 reasons why I quit keto. Well, first and foremost, when we started on this journey, when we started on this lifestyle change, it was our goal to do 60 days of keto as strictly as we could. And that was our original goal. And what we had planned to do is when those 60 days was up, was kind of reevaluate what we were doing, what we liked, what we disliked, if we wanted to keep going on keto or mix it up a little bit. So that's what we're going to discuss today. As we started on this journey due to the fact that my wife had a few autoimmune diseases and we were looking for some dietary changes, some dietary help that might eliminate some of her chronic pain and some of her inflammatory type symptoms. So that's the main reason why we started keto, and unfortunately, keto wasn't the best alternative or the best route for her. And the main reason is several years ago, she had her gallbladder removed. And so if you understand what the gallbladder's function is in the body, it makes sense because in the keto diet, in the keto lifestyle, the fat content of your macros is 70%. 80%, sometimes even 90% if you're doing really strict keto. And so without having her gallbladder to process and eliminate those fats, it was really not a very good option for her. And she really struggled with some of the menu items, some of the supplements, some of the shakes. She didn't digest them very well. And it just overall wasn't a very good option for her. And if she's not going to do it, then I'm not going to do it. So we're trying to do things as a team here. We're trying to do things that we can both do together at the same time. So guys, number one reason, again, the number one reason we started, also the number one reason we quit, is just it wasn't going to work out for my wife. Okay, and the number 2 reason that I quit keto. I was really excited when we started on this because everything that I kept researching, all the homework that I did, all the videos that I watched, everything that I was reading and everybody that I talked to was super pumped about the high energy levels and that moment of mental clarity that you get when you reach ketosis and once you're in that state of ketosis. And I'll have to admit, I did experience quite a bit of an energy boost. Having the bulletproof coffee first thing in the morning would last me all the way to lunch, and I wouldn't even need anything else to eat. Eating a keto-friendly lunch would easily get me all the way to dinner, and I wasn't really struggling with the meals or the energy. So that part I really did enjoy. On the flip side of that is when during the workouts in the gym, my energy levels were just drained when I was trying to work out. My strength levels dropped drastically, and I knew that. I knew to be prepared for that going into it because I talked to several people that work out on a regular basis and do keto, and they warned me that that is the trade-off that you have to look forward to when you're doing keto, when you're working out. There's just a decrease of strength and a decrease of energy during your workouts. Whereas before, I would normally go a full 60 minutes, sometimes a little bit more, and have fairly good energy throughout that entire time. But on keto, when I would get to that 35, 40, 45 minute mark during the workout, I was done. I was totally drained. I had no energy, and a lot of times it was a struggle to finish the workout if I even did. So that's number 2. And then number 3 reason that I quit keto is coconut. It's in everything. And man, you are going to get sick of the taste of coconut. And even to start with, I couldn't stand coconut. And so it's been a real struggle for these past 60 days. It's in the coconut oil and then your bulletproof coffee and everything that you cook with and everything that you bake with and it's everywhere. Guys, I just got totally sick of eating coconut. That's more of a joking answer. Seriously, the first 2 answers are the real reasons why we quit keto, but I wanted to throw that in there. You're going to get tired of coconut, trust me. All right, guys, so there's the reasons why we quit keto. I do want to touch on some likes and dislikes of our experience over the past 60 days. So if you're interested in doing keto, if you're not sure if it's right or not for you, here are some of the likes that I had over the past 60 days. Number 1 is I had, like I said before, a lot of energy throughout the day, other than in the gym. But overall, I had a ton of energy from the time that I woke up to the time that I went to bed. The second thing that I really liked about keto was I never had that coma feeling after eating a high carb lunch and then having to go back to work in the afternoon and just feeling slow and groggy and just, that horrible feeling that you get sometimes after you eat, a lunch that you probably shouldn't eat. So I didn't experience that at all. And lastly, the thing that I really enjoyed about being on keto was just trying new foods, trying new recipes, and honestly being in the kitchen with my wife and helping her out with some of the sweets and some of the snacks, and just trying new things. I really did enjoy that, and I'm looking forward to that on the next adventure that we take. And as far as the dislikes, I'm going to be honest with you guys. One of the things that I was really looking forward to was that moment of mental clarity that I kept reading about and kept hearing about. And I never just got that overall sense of euphoria or clarity or whatever that other people experience when they reach ketosis or when they're in the state of ketosis for several days. Another thing that I really didn't like about keto, and this is probably going to be with any type of restricting diet, is not every meal is going to taste great. And that's just something that you're going to have to get through. I mean, lunches were usually okay. Dinners, most of the time, were okay. But every once in a while, you're just going to eat something that you're not going to fully enjoy. And again, that goes back to my original video when I talked about starting this. If you're going to do this, especially if you're going to do this long term, you've got to transition your thought process as in, I am eating this because I need to. I am eating this because this is my fuel source, not because I enjoy it. And if you can make that transition in your brain, it makes getting through some of those meals a lot easier. And the last thing that's really difficult as far as keto is concerned, and again, this probably can relate to a lot of diets or lifestyle changes, is time. You really have to put in the effort if you're going to do keto successfully. Meal prepping is essential. Eating on the go, eating lunch quickly, or if you're in a hurry to get somewhere, it can be a real struggle. So if you're going to do this, I encourage you to plan ahead, have notes somewhere, or have a list somewhere that if you have to eat something fast, if you have to go to a fast food restaurant or any type of situation like that, hey, this is something keto that I can get, and I should avoid this other stuff. All right, so there it is, guys. The top 3 reasons why I quit keto. I hope you guys have enjoyed this journey. We're looking forward to starting the next phase of our lifestyle change, of our dietary change. So be on the lookout for the next video. All right, guys, so there's the top 3 reasons why I quit keto. Do me a favor. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And if you are watching this on Facebook, I'm going to encourage you to hit the like button and the share button. I don't know how that got in here.